Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Algol. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Algol? Algol, short for algorithmic language, is one of the earliest high-level programming languages designed for scientific and numerical computation. It was developed in the late 1950s and first specified in 1958 by an international committee of European and American computer scientists. Algol was significant in the history of programming languages because it introduced many concepts that later became standard in other languages. Key features of Algol include structured programming. Algol was one of the first programming languages to support structured programming concepts like nested blocks, conditional statements, if then else, and looping structures for while. Number 2, block structure. Algol introduced the idea of program blocks which allow for local scoping of variables. This concept influenced many subsequent programming languages. Number 3, Backus-Naur form or BNF. Algol syntax was described using a formal notation known as Backus-Naur form, which later became widely used for describing the syntax of programming languages. Number 4, orthogonality. Algol aimed for a high degree of orthogonality, meaning that the language was designed to have a relatively small number of primitive constructs that could be combined in large number of ways. Number 5, portability. Although Algol was not widely implemented as some other languages, it has a significant impact on the design of subsequent languages, particularly Pascal and C. Algol served as a basis for the development of many other programming languages, directly or indirectly influencing languages such as Pascal, C, and Ada. Though it is not widely used today, its influence on the development of programming language theory and practice is significant. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Algol is all about. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.